Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate the normal vacuum readings for a Toyota Corolla 2nz-fe engine and also demonstrate the air leak test of the same engine. This is the vacuum gauge with readings in inches of mercury or bars. Connect the rubber hose of the vacuum gauge with the positive crankcase ventilation valve connection on the intake manifold and tape the original PCV hose with the engine at normal operating temperature and at idle speed without any load. This is the normal reading of the vacuum gauge showing 21 inches of mercury. The normal reading is usually between 17 to 21 inches of mercury. Now to perform the vacuum leak test in the intake system, the air cleaner cover is partially opened. So as soon as the air cleaner cover is removed, the vacuum reading falls below the normal reading of 21 inches of mercury to about 20 to 19 inches of mercury, and this indicates that somewhere there is an air leak in the intake system. The conclusion in this case is that the engine is in a normal, average, healthy condition, and whenever there is an abnormal vacuum gauge reading, the interpretation must be made cautiously in conjunction with other diagnostic tests. Thank you.